Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of PD 101. In this episode, you will be shown how to draw an Escribed circle to a triangle. Stay tuned. Okay, so here we have an isosceles triangle. If you notice, we have not drawn the triangle as yet, but based on the measurements, you can see that it's an isosceles triangle because two of the sides are equal. So let's go ahead and draw this triangle first of all. Then we are going to draw the Escribed circle to this triangle. So the first line is line AB. So as usual, when we are given three sides of a triangle, we start by drawing the baseline. And that baseline measures 80 millimeters. Once you have drawn that baseline, we are going to take our compass and open it to any one of the other measurements. I'm going to open it to BC, which is 40 millimeters. And swing an arc. Once I have swung this arc, I am going to now take the compass once more and open it to the third measurement that is given, which is AC, which is also 80 millimeters. So it's open to 80 millimeters. And I'll swing. Once I've gotten, and I'm putting the compass point at A for this one, and I've gotten point C. So once I've done this, I'll just simply brighten the three lines, AB, BC, and AC. Now, what is an Escribed circle? An Escribed circle is a circle that is touching all three lines of a triangle. However, the circle will be externally. The circle will not be contained within the triangle. So in order to get this, we have to extend two of the lines. So I'm extending AB and the AC. You could have extended the lines in any direction, but I'm choosing to extend it this way so that the circle is relatively small. So if you notice, AC has been extended, AB has been extended. And I'm going to draw the circle to touch line AB, line AC, and line BC. So the circle will be somewhere here. So in order to do that, we have to bisect two angles. The angle at B, this time around the angle will not be A, B, C. I'll extend, so I'll call this D, and I'll call this E. Right? This is not at any particular measurement. This is not at any particular measurement. You can just extend it randomly. So I'm going to extend angle, I'm going to bisect rather, angle CBD. So the angle B right here, but not ABC, CBD or DBC. That is why we really use three letters to state an angle, because it could have been this angle at B or this angle at B. So in order to know which angle to bisect, we say BD, BC rather than A, BC. So we're bisecting over this side. Likewise here, we're not bisecting BCA, we're bisecting ECB. So the angle at C, but over this side. So let's open our compass to a convenient length. And we're going to swing and arc to create 2 points that we're going to bisect. And point 1, point 2. We're going to put the compass point there at points 1 and 2 to swing 2 arcs that will meet. Where the arcs meet, you can call that point 3. And a line will pass from B through that point to bisect that angle. So I've successfully bisected angle DBC or CBD. It doesn't matter how you call it. And I'll do the same for angle ECB. So I'll open the compass once more to a convenient length, and I'll swing another arc at C to cut lines CB and CE, because that's the angle I want to bisect. So I'll call this point 4, I'll call this point 5. So I'm going to now put the compass point at 4 and at 5 to create the next 2 lines to bisect. I'm going to open it a bit wider than I did for the first angle so that the arcs don't collide. Oh, pardon me there. So I'm putting it at 5. I had it at 5 there. I'm also putting it at 4. Hope you are seeing my thick hand is blocking. Alright. So that's it. So at 4 and at 5. And the arcs meet here. So this point I'll call 6. And from C, I'm going to draw a line passing through 6. So this is the point, I'll call this point O, where this bisector line meets this bisector line. I'm going to put the compass point there, and this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to open the compass point so that it touches one of the lines. Automatically, if this point was, if your drawing was correct up to this point, it automatically should touch the other 2 lines. So if you notice, it's touching 1, 2, 3 lines. Then you go ahead and you draw the circle. So let's go ahead and draw the circle, and you can brighten the circle at this point. Depending on the compass you are using, it may be a bit more difficult to brighten the circle. And there you have it. A circle that is ascribed to a triangle. It's touching all 3 sides, but the extensions of 2 sides and 1 side. So AB has been extended, AC has been extended, and the circle is touching those extension lines, while it is also touching line BC. Now this ascribed circle could have been drawn here or here. AB could have been extended this way, and BC could have been extended, and you draw the circle here by bisecting the two angles that would have been forming here. The same thing could have been done here, but those circles would be very large. That's why I've designed the triangle in such a way that the circle can fit on the paper. There you have it. I hope you learned. I implore you to practice this drawing. I also implore you to like the page, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share the knowledge for others to see. Have a good day.